Alright, I've got this Ariens Icon X 52-inch. This thing is super good condition, basically like brand new. It's got the fabricated 52-inch deck, the big front casters, and then it's got the Kawasaki 23 horsepower motor. Obviously it's got a few little scrapes here, that's inevitable, but I mean you can see how clean that deck is and the sides here. Everything's super clean, great condition. Good tires. Only thing that's missing is this chute. Was told it was taken off early on and they don't know what they did with it. And then I've also got this front tire right there. Don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's got a leak, so it's popped off the bead. I've got a brand new tire for it. I'll have put on there as soon as possible, or you can take the tire with you. It's got the extra cushiony seat, super comfortable. Let's see this thing in operation, huh? Only 116 hours on it. Like I said, pretty much like brand new. Runs real smooth. No problems at all. I'll idle it down for you. No smoke, no rattling. Rev it back up. E-brake. Forward, reverse, left, right. Blades. It's got a nice high blade tip speed. Got a little bit of grass here we can cut, not much. Not sure how well you can see it. Cut's nice. It's got good blades on it. Obviously I got a flat front left tire, so it's a little bit tilted, but easy. This thing runs great. Idle it back down one more time. Fabricated deck and everything. This thing's gonna make a great mower for somebody for a long time.